Boxwood hedges are a popular choice for creating formal garden structures. They are dense, evergreen, and can be pruned to create clean, sharp lines that define a space. A boxwood hedge wall can be a stunning addition to any garden or landscape, but creating one requires careful planning and attention to detail. Here are the steps to follow when creating a formal boxwood hedge wall. Choose the right location. The first step in creating a boxwood hedge wall is to choose the right location. Boxwood hedges prefer well-drained soil and partial to full sun exposure. Choose a location that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight per day, and ensure that the soil is well drained. Avoid planting boxwoods in areas that are prone to standing water, as this can cause root rot. Prepare the soil. Before planting your boxwood hedge, it is important to prepare the soil. Loosen the soil to a depth of at least 12 inches and remove any rocks, roots, or other debris. Mix in compost or other organic matter to improve soil quality and drainage. Boxwood hedges prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. Choose the right boxwood variety. There are many different varieties of boxwood to choose from, each with its own growth habits and characteristics. When selecting a boxwood variety for your hedge wall, consider factors such as height, growth rate, and resistance to disease. Some popular boxwood varieties for hedges include green velvet, wintergreen, and green mountain. Plant the boxwood hedge. When planting your boxwood hedge, space the plants according to their mature size. Most boxwood varieties will grow to a width of 3 to 4 feet, so space the plants accordingly. Dig a hole that is slightly larger than the root ball and place the plant in the hole. Backfill the hole with soil, making sure that the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Water the plant thoroughly after planting. Prune the boxwood hedge. Regular pruning is essential for creating a formal boxwood hedge wall. Prune the hedge in late spring or early summer to encourage dense growth and maintain its shape. Maintain the boxwood hedge. In addition to regular pruning, boxwood hedges require regular maintenance to keep them healthy and looking their best. Water the plants deeply once a week during dry periods, and fertilize in spring with a balanced fertilizer. Watch for signs of disease or pest infestations, and treat promptly if necessary. Creating a formal boxwood hedge wall requires time, effort, and attention to detail, but the result can be a stunning addition to your garden or landscape. By following these steps and taking proper care of your hedge, you can create a beautiful and long-lasting garden structure that will be the envy of your neighbors.